It's crazy how so few people actually know the Tesla Pi phone is officially set to launch early next year at just $789. A shockingly reasonable price that could make the iPhone 17 sweat. Meanwhile, controversy around Apple's latest lineup still hasn't cooled down. Many users are already regretting spending so much on the iPhone 17, with most complaints pointing to how easily it scratches. And over in the iPhone Air camp, users are left wondering why the battery drains so fast.
Exactly.
Prioritizing looks over everything else seems to have made the iPhone 17 one of the most controversial devices Apple has ever released. Meanwhile, Elon Musk has been dropping a series of exciting details about the Tesla Pi phone ahead of its launch. He's confident Apple poses no real threat to Tesla and believes the Tesla Pi could even become the best-selling smartphone in America next year. For just $789, you can own a phone that gives you completely free internet access for life.
Yes, you heard that right.
You'll be able to stream YouTube, Netflix, or any other entertainment you love without paying a single cent for internet service for life. In today's episode, we're unboxing the Tesla Pi phone, exploring its 4 core features, and revealing 10 Starlink secrets that will blow your mind. How is Tesla Pi phone unboxing? According to Elon Musk, the Tesla Pi phone is expected to officially launch in March 2026 in the United States. This is highly anticipated news, as many have been eagerly waiting for the arrival of this groundbreaking smartphone and the cutting-edge technologies Tesla has been preparing. As for pricing, the standard 256GB Pi phone is expected to start at just $789, while the top-tier 1TB model is rumored to be capped at $199. Although Elon Musk hasn't officially confirmed these figures, Tesla's CEO has assured that the Pi phone will be priced more affordably than the iPhone, giving customers peace of mind. When unboxing the Tesla Pi phone, the first impression is its outstanding design and build quality. Built with grade 6 titanium, it's one of the most durable and premium materials available today. Titanium not only provides scratch and impact resistance, but is also extremely lightweight, giving you a sturdy yet comfortable feel in hand. Unlike many other smartphones on the market with bodies that easily scratch or bend, the Pi phone gives you peace of mind for long-term use without worrying about wear and tear. In stark contrast to Apple's luxury trend, where each new iPhone generation strives to break records in thinness, mainly to appeal to younger users, Elon Musk places the emphasis on superior durability, high practicality, and powerful performance. According to Tesla employees, Musk personally inspected the Tesla Pi's chassis, and only a body made of grade 6 titanium earned his approval. In terms of packaging, the Tesla Pi phone will come in 2 main versions, which may vary by storage capacity or optional features to meet the diverse needs of customers. The Pi's box will include a charging cable, but not a charging brick. This decision may spark debate, as many users still expect a power adapter to come with their device. However, Tesla's move seems aimed at reducing environmental impact and encouraging users to reuse existing chargers, especially in line with the company's broader shift towards sustainable energy solutions. What 4 key features make the Tesla Pi a real threat to the iPhone 17? The Tesla Pi phone stands out with a sleek and ultra-lightweight design crafted from grade 6 titanium, one of the most durable and premium materials available today. Titanium not only provides scratch and impact resistance, but is also extremely lightweight, giving you a sturdy yet comfortable feel in hand. Unlike many other smartphones on the market with bodies that easily scratch or bend, the Pi phone gives you peace of mind for long-term use, without worrying about wear and tear. In stark contrast, Apple's unexpected move to bring back aluminum for the iPhone 17's frame, especially on the Pro model, has sparked intense debate within the user community. After one generation of high expectations for durability and a premium feel with titanium, this decision has raised concerns about the iPhone 17 Pro's resistance to everyday bumps and scratches. Early user feedback has already begun to surface, with many complaints about scratches appearing easily on the aluminum frame, even with fairly careful use. Some even claim that the iPhone 17 Pro Max seems more prone to scratches than older aluminum iPhones like the iPhone 6. A surprising issue for a flagship device. According to the closest leaks about the project, insiders claim that the Pi phone will feature an ultra-sharp 6.9 in Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 144Hz refresh rate and 3,200 nits peak brightness. This means you'll enjoy an incredibly smooth experience while browsing the web, scrolling, or gaming. For comparison, the iPhone 17 Pro Max uses Apple's Super Retina XDR OLED with a lower refresh rate and brightness, making the Tesla iPhone's screen more suitable for outdoor use and high-performance tasks. The high refresh rate and advanced OLED panel ensure fluid animations, vivid colors, and deep contrast, delivering a premium visual experience that surpasses most competitors. When it comes to charging, the Tesla Pi phone introduces revolutionary fast charging technology called Pulse Charge X. This system enables users to charge their device from 0% to 80% in just about 10 minutes, reaching full capacity in approximately 15 minutes. Tesla engineers designed this technology with battery longevity in mind, balancing rapid charging speed with heat management to ensure long-term durability. By contrast, the iPhone 17 lineup continues to face criticism for slow charging speeds and modest battery endurance. Despite Apple's ongoing efforts, users still report needing to recharge their devices frequently, with some iPhone Air models requiring a charge after less than half a day. The Pi's Pulse Charge X, inspired by Tesla's electric vehicle battery expertise, represents a significant leap ahead in convenience and efficiency. The camera system of the Tesla Pi phone is another groundbreaking highlight. The Pi phone may very well be the world's first smartphone to feature a powerful neural fusion imaging system centered around a 64-megapixel main sensor accompanied by an ultra-wide lens with a 130-degree field of view and a telephoto lens offering 10 times optical zoom and up to 100 times hybrid zoom. The device ensures exceptional versatility in capturing every scene. Tesla has implemented its advanced AI-driven image processing pipeline to enhance clarity, dynamic range, and low-light performance. Neural fusion technology automatically analyzes each frame in real time,